Welcome to our next series of videos taking a look at the timeline section inside Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at scene card templates. Scene card templates are a great way to make sure you're tracking vital information in each scene. And to access a scene card template, simply hover over any blank space on the timeline and click on Use Template. As you can see, it will bring up the starter templates already available in Plottr. You have a choice between a proactive scene, a reactive scene, or scene essentials, and you can see everything that will be created with each scene template. So if I choose the scene essentials, we can give our scene a name, new scene, and when we click into the details, we can see under attributes, it has all of the information we'd like to keep track of. One important note is that scene card templates will only create the attributes for this scene card, unlike custom attributes that you create on your own, which will show in every scene card. So we can fill them all in and click Save. So that concludes our brief overview of scene card templates in the timeline view. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel for all our newest information. And I'll see you in the next video.